Okay, let's do a few examples on adding integers 1 counters. So the directions are telling us write addition sentences or equations to match the pictures. So here we focus on the left side. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 negative circles. So we put -4 plus, since we're writing addition sentences, side we have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 negative circles on the right side. So that would be -3. So we have -4, 3. So this is the final answer. So that's how you would write a addition equation to match the picture right here. The next picture we have is we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 negatives, so it would be -5, since we have 5 circles that are negative. Now we just focus on the positive red circles. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have we're adding, of course, and a +4, which is +4. So this is how you would write an addition sentence or equation to match the picture right here. So it would be -5 plus 4, and that would be our final answer to this. Here we want to think of the counters and add. So here we have -7 plus -8. Remember, when you add two negatives, the rule is when you add two negatives, the answer is always going to be negative. So we have -7 plus -8, so the answer is going to be negative. Now what you just do is forget about the negatives and just add 7 plus 8, which is going to give us 15. So our answer is now is -15. So this is the final answer. Here we have 7 plus 8. We have two positives, so a positive plus a positive is going to give us, as the rule is, a positive plus a positive is going to give us a positive. So 7 plus 8 is 15. So we have +15. So this is our final answer right here. Okay, here is the trick. We have 5 plus -7. Now there's a trick in this. I look for the larger number out of this equation. So we have 5 and 7. So 7 appears to be larger. So my answer is going to have it has a negative. My answer is going to have a negative. What I basically do is find the difference between 7 and 5, and difference means subtraction. So it's like 7 minus 5, and I get the answer of 2 with the negative, so our answer is -2 as our final answer. Okay, here we have 7 plus -. Which number does appear to be larger? 7 does. So our answer is going to be positive. So it's going to be positive. So it would be, we find the difference between 7 and 5. So the answer would be 2. So we have a +2 answer as our final answer right here. Here we want to add. We have 4 plus -10. Which number here appears larger? We have the 10 appears larger. So 10 appears larger and it has a negative sign. So our answer is going to have a negative. And we find the difference between 10 and 4. So that was 6. So our final answer to this would be -6. Okay, what does it seem to be larger? What number seems to be larger? 8 does. So 8 seems to be larger, so the answer is going to be positive. So we find the difference between 8 and 6, and the difference between 8 and 6 is 2, so our answer is +2 for this answer. For this equation. So this is the final answer, +2. So let's now move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept. What are we doing here?